This 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 22RBX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 10 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 2, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, Skylight, smoke detector, microwave, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, stovetop burner, TV, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 22RBX is 5,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.